In this video, we're going to look at parentheses as a tool for changing order. So we're going to look at the problems below. Start with our highlighter. Howard bought a $25 comic book and a $35 belt buckle. He paid with a $100 bill. And then here comes our question, our goal. How much change will Howard receive? Be sure to indicate every step in your process. So I could think of two ways to do this problem. Okay, so you may want to say, well, how much did this cost Howard? Okay, so how much did he spend? Well, he spent $25 plus $35, which is $60. Since he paid with a $100 bill, we'd want to take 100 and subtract 60 to see what his change is, which is $40. Another way we could think of this is, well, he paid with a $100 bill, so he had 100, and then we could subtract off the 25 and also subtract off the 35. Now, this may seem a little bit weird because we can think of combining the two costs, okay? But if we're going to write this, if we're going to perform these from left to right, we don't want to put a plus here because then we would be adding $35 instead of subtracting. Okay, so 100 minus 25 is 75. 75 minus 35 is his $40 and change. Okay, so we said that one way we could write this horizontally is 100 minus 25 minus 35. Okay? Or if we want to use parentheses as a tool for changing order, we can say, well, he has $100. I want to subtract off the sum of $25 and $35. Okay? So again, the order of operations say we need to perform the operations from left to right for addition and subtraction. Okay, so this would need to be subtraction since we're subtracting it from the original $100. If you want to combine the total amount he spent in one step, we would need to put this in parentheses to indicate that we're going to first add the amounts, which is 60, and then we'd subtract. Okay, so this corresponds to the way we answered the problem in the first case. Okay, so the general rule is if we want to change the order in which we perform operations in an arithmetic expression, we can use parentheses to indicate that we will perform the operation inside the parentheses first. And in the next video, we'll look at a couple examples of using parentheses.